Hello and welcome to Exciting Earnings. How to upload video correctly on YouTube. Uploading videos to YouTube is more than just hitting the upload button. To maximize reach, engagement, and growth, creators need to carefully optimize each element of the process. Every detail, from titles to end screens, plays a role in ensuring your content attracts and retains viewers. Here's a comprehensive guide, broken down into actionable sections to help you upload videos correctly and effectively. Crafting an eye-catching title. A compelling title is the first impression of your video, and it directly impacts whether a viewer clicks on it. Titles should be concise, engaging, and descriptive, while incorporating relevant keywords. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ are excellent for analyzing trending keywords and suggesting high-performing titles. These tools help you craft titles that resonate with your target audience while optimizing for search engines. A good title balances creativity with clarity. While it's essential to spark curiosity, ensure your title accurately represents the content. Misleading titles might get clicks initially, but can harm your channel's reputation in the long run. For instance, instead of a generic title like Amazing Travel Tips, use something specific such as 10 Life-Changing Travel Hacks for Budget Travelers. This specificity appeals to viewers actively searching for relevant content. Consistency in your titling strategy builds audience trust and loyalty. Developing a recognizable format or tone for your titles can help your videos stand out. Experiment with power words, numbers, or questions to intrigue viewers. Regularly analyze title performance through YouTube Analytics to identify what works best for your channel. Lastly, test different title variations. Using A/B testing tools like TubeBuddy's Click Magnet, you can determine which titles attract the most clicks. This data-driven approach ensures you're continually refining your strategy to achieve optimal results. Writing a detailed and optimized description. A video description is a powerful tool for providing context, improving discoverability, and driving viewer actions. The first few lines of your description are crucial, as they're visible without clicking Show More. Start with a strong summary that includes your main keyword and a clear call to action CTA, encouraging viewers to subscribe, like, or comment. Tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT can help generate compelling SEO-friendly descriptions. Use the main body of the description to elaborate on your video's content. Include timestamps to help viewers navigate your video easily. For example, a tutorial video could include time markers like 00 introduction or 3:45 step 2 detailed explanation. Tools like RFs and keywords. Everywhere can identify popular keywords to seamlessly integrate into your description, boosting its search performance. Adding external links enriches your description. These can include links to related videos, social media platforms, or affiliate products. Use link shorteners like bit.ly to create clean, trackable URLs. Additionally, ensure compliance with YouTube's community guidelines by clearly disclosing affiliate links. Close your description with another CTA and channel information. For example, direct viewers to playlists, promote upcoming content, or invite them to join your community on Patreon. A well-structured description not only supports your video, but also enhances your overall channel engagement. Selecting the right tags provide YouTube with additional context about your video, helping it surface in search results and recommendations. While their significance has diminished slightly over the years, they remain a valuable part of video optimization. Tools like rapidtags.io, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy can generate relevant tags based on your video's topic, saving time and improving accuracy. Start by including specific niche tags that directly relate to your video. For instance, a video on budget-friendly meal prep could use tags like cheap meal prep, easy recipes, and meal prep for beginners. Complement these with broader tags like cooking tips or healthy eating. This mix ensures your video appeals to a wide audience while targeting specific search queries. Competitor analysis is another way to refine your tagging strategy. Tools like VidiQ allow you to view tags from top-performing videos in your niche. Use these insights to enhance your own tag list, ensuring you stay competitive in the algorithm. Finally, review and update your tags regularly. As trends evolve or your content strategy shifts, your tags should adapt accordingly. Regular monitoring through YouTube analytics helps you identify which tags drive the most traffic, allowing you to refine your approach for future uploads. Designing a click-worthy thumbnail. Your thumbnail is often the deciding factor in whether viewers click on your video. It needs to be visually striking, relevant, and aligned with your content. Tools like Canva and Adobe Express make it easy to create professional quality thumbnails, while Adobe Photoshop offers advanced customization options for experienced designers. A good thumbnail uses bold, easy-to-read fonts, vibrant colors, and high-resolution images. Include a focal point, such as an expressive face or a standout object, to grab attention. Adding text to your thumbnail can provide context, but keep it minimal to avoid clutter. For example, a fitness video thumbnail might say 5-minute abs alongside an image of workout gear. Consistency in thumbnail design is essential for building a recognizable brand. Use similar fonts, colors, and layouts across your thumbnails to create a cohesive look. This not only helps with brand identity, but also makes your videos easily identifiable in a sea of content. Test your thumbnail's performance using YouTube analytics. Metrics like click-through rates, CTR, indicate whether your thumbnails are resonating with your audience. Regularly analyze this data and adjust your designs to improve engagement. Using playlists for organization playlists, organize your content into categories, making it easier for viewers to find what they're looking for. They also encourage binge watching, increasing your overall watch time. Use YouTube's playlist feature to group related videos such as tutorials, series, or videos within a specific niche. Give each playlist a descriptive title and compelling description. For instance, instead of naming a playlist "Cooking," opt for something more engaging like "Quick and Healthy Recipes for Busy Weeknights." Including keywords in the title and description improves the playlist's visibility in search results. Tools like TubeBuddy and Viduli help optimize playlists by suggesting related tags and analyzing performance metrics. These insights ensure your playlists are effectively driving traffic and retaining viewers. Promote your playlists in your video descriptions, end screens, and channel homepage. Highlighting them across your channel increases their visibility and encourages viewers to explore more of your content. Setting up end screens and cards. End screens and cards are excellent tools for keeping viewers engaged and directing them to more content. End screens appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video and can include links to other videos, playlists, or subscription prompts. Cards, on the other hand, appear during the video and can direct viewers to related content. Use YouTube's built-in editor to add end screens and cards. Ensure they align with the content and provide value. For instance, a video about photography tips could include an end screen linking to a playlist on editing techniques. Design your end screens to be visually appealing and non-intrusive. Avoid overwhelming the viewer with too many elements. Focus on 1 or 2 key CTAs. Regularly analyze performance through YouTube analytics to determine which end screens and cards drive the most clicks. Choosing the optimal upload time. The timing of your video upload plays a critical role in its performance on YouTube. Posting at the right time can significantly boost initial views, engagement, and overall reach. To determine the best upload time, you need to understand your audience's habits, experiment with different schedules, and leverage analytics. Start by analyzing your audience's location and time zones. If your viewers are primarily from a specific country or region, schedule uploads to align with their peak activity hours. For instance, if most of your audience is in the US, uploading between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Time can be effective, as this period captures lunch breaks and after-work hours. Tools like Google Analytics or YouTube's built-in analytics can help identify where your viewers are located, ensuring your timing strategy caters to the majority. Experimentation is key to finding the perfect upload time for your channel. Begin by posting videos at different times of the day and tracking performance over several weeks. Look for trends in views, watch time, and engagement metrics to identify patterns. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ can provide insights into when your subscribers are most active, simplifying the process of testing and optimizing. Consistency is equally important. Once you've identified the ideal time, stick to it for future uploads. Regularly posting at the same time trains your audience to anticipate your content, leading to higher engagement. For example, if your data shows that Saturdays at 3 p.m. perform best, maintain that schedule for similar content. However, be flexible and revisit your timing strategy periodically as your audience grows or changes, ensuring it remains effective. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.